Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Chinese makeup bags and Chinese cosmetic bags produced right here at our makeup bag factory. As a leading cosmetic pouch factory, we take pride in crafting high-quality products tailored to meet global standards. Our cosmetic bag production process begins with selecting the finest materials. Each cosmetic bag manufacturer focuses on quality, ensuring that every Chinese makeup bag is not only stylish, but also durable. We believe that functionality should go hand in hand with aesthetics. At our makeup bag China facility, we offer a wide range of designs to suit various customer needs. From elegant cosmetic bags to practical customized bags, our customized bag factory allows for personalized solutions tailored specifically for your brand. Our expertise as a customized bag manufacturer means we can bring your unique visions to life. Whether you're looking for trendy designs or classic styles, our custom bags factory is equipped to handle it all. If you're in the market for high-quality Chinese bags custom, you've come to the right place. Our commitment to excellence ensures that every bag custom factory product is crafted with precision and care. Thank you for joining us on this tour of our makeup bag factory. Stay tuned for more insights into our production processes and the latest trends in the world of cosmetic bags. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.